Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some more MCQ questions from light, reflection and refraction. 16th question. A real inverted and enlarged image is formed by a convex lens when the object is placed at F between F and 2F at 2F beyond 2F. An enlarged real and inverted image is formed beyond center of curvature C2 when an object is placed between center of curvature C1 and the principal focus F1 of a convex lens. So our option is B, between F and 2F. 17th question. An object is placed at the center of curvature of a convex lens. An image of the same size will be formed A at F, B between F and 2F, C at 2F, D beyond 2F. Okay, then our option is C at 2F. 18th question. If an object is moved towards a convex lens, the size of the image A decreases, B increases, C first decreases and then increases, remains the same. Okay, if an object is moved towards the convex lens, then U decreases. Magnification M is equal to V by U. Then U decreases, the magnification increases. Okay, so our option is B, increases. 19th question. Starting from a very large distance, an object is moved towards a convex lens. Its image will shift A away from the lens, B towards the lens, C first away and then towards, D first towards and then away. Our option is A, away from the lens. Then 20th question. The image formed by a concave lens is A, always virtual and diminished, B, always virtual and enlarged, always real, sometimes real and sometimes virtual. A concave lens always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image because the image is actually formed by the intersection of virtually extended refracted rays. Okay, so our option A, always virtual and diminished. Then 21st question. A real image formed by a convex lens is always A, on the same side of the lens as the object, B, erect, C, inverted, D, smaller than the object. Convex lens form the real images which are always inverted when the object is located at the 2F point. The image will also be located at the 2F point on the other side of the lens. The image dimensions are equal to the object dimensions and the image is real image. So our option is inverted, C. The next, an object is placed 20 cm from a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. The image must be real and inverted, real and of the same size, real and enlarged, virtual and enlarged. Here focal length is 10 cm and object placed is 20 cm. So U is 20 cm. That means the object is at 2F. Okay, then the image must be real and of the same size. Image formed will be real and inverted. Also size of the image will be equal to the size of the object. So the image must be at 20 cm from the lens, same size to the object, also real and inverted. Okay, so our option is B, real and of the same size. 23rd question. A convex lens A has always two convex surfaces, B has always two spherical surfaces, C is thinner in the middle than at the edges, D is thicker in the middle than at the edges. A lens which is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges is called a convex lens. So our option is D, is thicker in the middle than at the edges. 24th question. According to Cartesian sign convention, the focal length of the lens is given by f is equal to u plus v divided by uv, f is equal to u minus v divided by uv, f is equal to uv divided by u plus v, f is equal to uv divided by u minus v. Then focal length of the lens, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, that is equal to vu, then u minus v. 1 by f is equal to u minus v divided by vu. Then f is equal to uv divided by u minus v. uv divided by u minus v. So our option is D. The next 25th. Magnification of a concave lens is A always less than unity, B always equal to unity, C always greater than unity, D sometimes less than and sometimes greater than unity. Concave lens always produce images that are upright, virtual, reduced in size, and located on the object side of the lens. Therefore, the magnification produced by a concave lens is always less than 1. So our option is A, always less than unity. Then 26. For using convex lens as a magnifying lens, the object should be placed A beyond 2f, B between f and 2f, at f, D between f and the lens. When the object is placed between the principal focus and the pole, the ray tend to diverge through normally converging lens, forming magnified, erect and virtual image of the object. So our option is between f and the lens, D. The power of a lens is given by D is equal to 1 by f in centimeter, D is equal to 100 by f in centimeter, D is equal to 1000 by f in centimeter, D is equal to 100 by f in meter. Power of a lens D is equal to 1 by f in meter. So our option is B, that is 100 divided by f in centimeter. The power of a lens is measured in centimeter, centimeter raised to minus 1, diopter, meter. The power of a lens is measured in diopter, so our option is C. Next, a convex lens has a focal length of 50 cm. Its power is 2 diopters, 5 diopter, 0.5 diopter, 0.02 diopter. Okay, focal length is given in centimeter. So power is equal to 100 by f in centimeter. So 100 divided by 50, that is equal to 2 diopter. So our option is A. The power of a lens is negative 1.5 diopter. Its focal length is. So P is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to 1 by P. So F is equal to 1 divided by negative 1.5. That is equal to negative 10 by 15. That is equal to 0.666 negative. Okay. Then that is equal to 66.6, negative 66.6 centimeter. Our option is D, negative 66.6 centimeter. Okay. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.